Good afternoon, Regina pet parents. We are coming to you live on Furry Fridays as we have been doing. I apologize, today I was a little bit late. Oh, we've got lots of stuff going on. And I've still got lots of stuff going on. When I get done this, I got to jump back on and I got to do a couple other things. But I wanted to talk. It is the season for weeds. I don't know about you, but I hate weeds. And I have a maintenance-free backyard that I've never pulled so many weeds out of in my entire life. I do not use Roundup. Hello, Miss Duncan. I don't use Roundup. I don't use herbicides or pesticides or any of the poisons. And I'm going to tell you why I don't use them, aside from the fact that Zaner cruises around the backyard and sniffs and snorts and does all his stuff. Even though my backyard is deck and rock, the reason that I don't spray any of the chemicals or the poisons to kill the weeds, even though on the bottle they say keep your family and keep your pets off of the sprayed area for, it might say up to 24 hours. That stuff actually lasts, stays on the ground. Our furry little guys are your kids, not mine. My kids are all furry, but your family, your furry guys, they can actually pick that up on sprayed areas for up to 8 days. And there is science that proves those herbicides and pesticides, all of the chemicals that we're using to kill the gross, ugly weeds, that they're cancer-causing agents, essentially, right? They walk through the chemical, even after it's dry. There's still a dry residue on the areas that you've sprayed. And so our pets are walking through that, or your barefooted children, or your barefooted spouses who are doing yard work or just playing in the grass. They think, it's been 24 hours, I can walk through it, it's all good. It's not all good. That stuff stays there for 8 hours, plus it leaches into the soil. Anyways, it's bad stuff. I know weeds are ugly, and I know nobody wants weeds in their yard, but we've got a way to do it. I found a pet-friendly, earth-friendly, do-it-yourself weed killer. I have used this in my yard for the past 2 years, and I can't believe how quickly it kills the plant. Now, unlike a poison that takes a while to shrivel up the weed and kill it, and that the poison actually does go into the root to kill the root as well. That's how and where it leaches into the soil. This do-it-yourself weed killer works amazing. It kills the plant. It doesn't leach into the soil and kill the root. Seeded clover chokes out weeds. I will have to get more information on that, Sherry. I don't know what that means. But okay, so what I've been doing for my do-it-yourself homemade weed killer that is completely pet-friendly and completely earth-friendly. It doesn't hurt the earth. It doesn't hurt our animals. It's very strong smelling to them, but as soon as it's dry, safe for them to go out. What I have also found about this weed killer, 2 things. If you can spray it when you've got direct sun shining down on the weeds that you're spraying, your weeds will shrivel up and die like within less than an hour. I couldn't believe, I took pictures. I took pictures of, okay, I want to see how good this weed killer works. I sprayed it, I took the picture of the weed, I sprayed it, and then I came and took pictures an hour later, and it had already started to shrivel. Within 2 hours, the weed had shriveled up into nothing. If you can spray it in direct sunlight, if you're spraying weeds in a non-grassed area, I need to say that too, because this recipe that I'm going to give you, your do-it-yourself, pet-friendly, earth-friendly weed killer, it will kill your grass. Like it kills anything that gets in its way, which is good, but it's totally safe. Totally safe for the pets, totally safe for the environment. So you don't want to spray it into a grassed area, but if you have a rocked area or anywhere that has weeds, that there's no grass, and if you have direct sunlight, awesome, because it kills the weeds then. If it's not super sunny out or it's not a sunny area, it will still kill them. It just takes a little bit longer. But again, remember, it's killing the plant, not the root. So once the plant has shriveled up into nothing, you can go and you can yank it out. But this stuff is pet friendly and earth friendly, and that's the important part. So now I know that when I spray the backyard and Zaner doesn't have to cruise around. Claudia says, does it kill the yellow devil dandelions? It kills whatever you spray it on, including grass. That's why I want to be very clear. Don't spray this on weeds in your grass, because you'll kill your grass, and then you're coming back to me because I've killed all your grass. But it kills anything. So if you have an area with no grass, and especially if there's direct sunlight, it is incredible how quickly it kills. Uh-oh. Jenna! Sorry, we have somebody at the door and I'm standing here in the middle of the store. Okay. Those are the things we want to remember. Do it in the sunlight. If you can't, it's just going to take a little bit longer. What is the name of the product? Rhonda, good question. The name of the product is Do It Yourself Homemade Weed Killer, and I'm going to tell you how to do that. So you are going to find yourself a heavy-duty plastic spray bottle, right? You don't want a flimsy one, because one of the 3 ingredients in this do-it-yourself homemade weed killer is the most acidic acid that you can find. So I have found 10% acidic acid at Walmart. I looked all over the place, and that was the only place that I could find it. Now, if you guys have a lead on a place that I could find more acidic, like up to 20% acidic vinegar, awesome, because that would probably work even better. But 10% acidic vinegar worked well. So you need 1 liter of acidic, like the most acidic vinegar that you can find. So a 10%, 20% acidic vinegar, you need 1 liter of that. You need 1 ounce, sorry, I wrote down the recipe, guys, because I'm not a cook, so I'm not good with recipes. 1 ounce of orange essential oil and a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon essential oil, okay? So 1 liter of the most acidic vinegar that you can find, 10%, 20%. I used 10%, worked awesome. So if you can only find 10%, I found some at Walmart. I then went to Old Fashioned Foods to buy the oils, and you need 1 ounce of orange essential oil and a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon essential oil. You pour this into your big squirt gun plastic spray bottle thing that, again, heavy duty because we've got an acidic vinegar in there. You pour that all in there, give it a shake. When you're out there and you're spraying your weeds, smells awesome. It is very strong scent though for the hounds, but with the essential oils, it doesn't have an overpowering vinegar scent. Again, if you can spray the weeds in direct sunlight or in a sunny spot, they're gonna die that much quicker. If it's in shade, they still die. It just takes a little bit longer. I gotta say hello to Matthew, hello to Jason, hello to Wendy. They've all just joined. We are talking about pet-friendly, earth-friendly, do-it-yourself, homemade weed killer, okay? We don't sell this, so you won't find it on our website, you won't find it in the store, but that is the recipe. 1 liter of the most acidic vinegar you can find, 1 ounce of orange essential oil, and 1/2 ounce of cinnamon essential oil. Mix it all up, spray it. Do not spray it where you have grass. Spray it where you have rocks and weeds, or cement and weeds, on your sidewalk with weeds, on your driveway with weeds. In direct sunlight, it's gonna kill them super quick, like less than an hour. Just the plant, then yank it out. And make sure you don't spray your grass, okay? That is your Furry Friday for this week, you guys. I apologize for being late. And if you have questions, let me know. I can probably add this recipe into the comments for you. You guys are probably going, I'm okay, like it's 3 ingredients, but I need the recipe. I'm glad that it sounds perfect, Claudia. Absolutely try it out. Let me know, you guys. I'll post my pictures. Hello, Milo and Zeke. Hello, Tanya Adair. I'm going to post my pictures. I've got to find them from 2 years ago, but I will show you what these weeds look like after an hour and after a day after spraying. It's amazing. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, Catherine. Yes, that would be great. Okay, perfect. I'm going to do that. I'll ask you guys, do you have any other questions while we're on here? Or, I mean, I'm not a weed expert or anything, but I did try this and it's amazing. And I like it because it is pet friendly. I don't have to worry about Zaner getting nasty toxins on him. And it's earth friendly, so I don't have to worry that I'm doing damage. Thanks, Carly. I will try that one for the patio. Absolutely, Sherry. I couldn't believe how good it worked. I showed a friend of mine the pictures. He's like, get out of here. It happened. It happened. So I'll put those pictures in there. All right. Catherine says she's good. If you guys have questions, you know where to find us. Post in the comments. Send me a message. Call us. We're here. Happy weed killing this weekend, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.